Hiya.
Hiya.
I don't know if you can see this map at corner at screen, whether that's just us that can see it.
I can see it.
I know. I don't know whether they can. We pulled into a lay-by. We've left. Skip's in now.
We were up at 8. I'm shattered.
We won't. It was 8:30.
8:30?
Yeah.
Was it? Oh, really?
We're up at 8:30, which is crack of dawn for Pat. Because you have to be off by 10. We're not used to that. So we've pulled into a lay-by. We're not far out of Stamford Bridge. So we've stopped in a lay-by for a cup of tea. Because it's only, well, it was 11 o'clock when we stopped.
11:30.
It's about 11:30. We'll drive into Stamford Bridge and we're hoping that the fish and chip shop's open. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to get some fish and chips. And then carry on to Dunnington. So I thought I'd just tell you.
Let you know what we're doing.
Yeah, we've just made a cup of tea.
I've got coffee.
Well, Pat's got coffee and I've got boring fruit tea.
You like that fruit tea?
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
You'd rather have a coffee though?
I'd rather have a proper coffee. Yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Mine's instant.
Pat's, yeah, I can't drink instant. It's horrible. Don't think anything's happened since I spoke to him last, has there?
No. Don't think so.
Not that I can think of. It's the weather's a lot cloudier and cold,
Yeah,
cold,
windy.
cold and windy.
Although the sun's been shining, it has been bitter.
It has been cold. And I've been for some gas. So I ran out of gas. Well, I didn't run out of gas, but one bottle was empty. So I've been and got another gas bottle. And the gentleman who sold me the gas bottle kindly told me it's going to rain today, tomorrow, Sunday and Monday.
And then charged him £31 for gas.
31 quid for a 6 kilogram bottle of gas. Going up, 23 to 25 to 28, and now it's 31. This site where we're going, I've never been to this site in the winter. I mean, it ain't the winter, but
it feels like it.
Feels like it, yeah. I said, am I all right coming in a motorhome? Will I get stuck because it's grass? And she says, no, we never get anybody stuck. So I'm going. So if it's going to rain, I don't know whether that'll be a problem or what. Anyway,
it's well drained.
Might be, yeah. We'll see you when we get there. Or fish and chip shop and whatever. Okay. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. These are lovely fish and chips, these are. From this little place here, the scrap box. There. Beautiful. Just outside Dunnington. Hiya folks. Well, we've arrived. Lovely fish and chips they were. Brilliant. Now I've been here before, so you know you have been following us for a while, you'll know about this place. In Dunnington, beautiful village. There's a pub, a kind of nicer store place, or is it a co-op? I'm not sure. Londis, is it? One of them.
Yeah. And
a baker's. So it's a really, and you're in walking distance. It's a lovely village, and the site's lovely. And actually, we're on grass. Now you might think, oh, you made a mistake there, because the forecast is for rain. But it's rock hard. He says he never gets anybody stuck on here. It's rock hard. So, oh, another caravan just arriving. So I'll show you where we are. What? Just on the site. It's not a CL. This. It's a private site. It's called the Holly Tree Park, Holly Tree Farm. I don't think it's farm. It's called the Holly Tree in Dunnington. So it's not a CL. It's a private, but it's only £16 a night with a hookup. So it's...
There's no facilities other than...
No, you've just got your tap and your Elson and an hookup. So there's no toilet facilities are out here. The showers are out.
Nice
Right?
site, nice site.
It is a nice site. And there's some walks around here as well, which I've shown before and all. Okay, I'll just show you it briefly. This is the site, and you have been on here before. The N is still here. You won't believe it, it climbed into my garage under there. It got in there while I was hooking up. So there's your hook up, and as I say, it's on grass, but you can see how hard it is. It is just rock hard underfoot. So there's no problem. Next door to the sports ground in Dunnington. We parked at middle last time we came. I'll show you. There is a shed there with information in. Suppose you can get a bus if you want. There's the rubbish bin there. It's dead smart, this really. Well, you know, it's... Look at that. Elson, clean as a whistle. And there's for your grey waste. There. And tap for cleaning your cassette. And there's your tap for your water. There. Oh. That's where you come in there. It has a combination on the lock. It keeps it locked with a... I know the pin. Right, and so that's where we are, folks. I don't think we're going to do a great deal today now. I think we're settling the send down for the rest of the day. We're full of fish and chips. So very nice they were. Okay folks, see you tomorrow.